Hi everyone, I've just received this through the PD as you can see. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Wi-Fi version. I pre-ordered this as soon as it was released, and today it's the 4th of August. So this is the box. A bit of damage there, but it should be fine. There you go, the S9. Oof, a bit of fluff. Let's get rid of this. Not the very best unboxing. Okay, let's try it. Let's put this aside first and see what's here. I ordered the beige version, so the pen is beige color. Let's see what's in here. Oh, the ejector tube for the SIM card or the micro SD. We're gonna bother removing this. And this, I believe it's the USB-C cable. There you go, first look of the Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. The magnet is quite strong. I will power this up and set up and show you guys later. I've just turned on the tablet and the tablet comes on with 53% battery. I also bought these two official Samsung accessories for the tablet, although I got it from Amazon because they are cheaper, and I actually received this a few days prior to receiving the tablet today. So I will be shooting a follow-up video showing the difference between the tablet screen when we have the screen protector on. So feel free to like and subscribe so that you'll be able to see when I release the video. Thank you. Bye.